Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here and your daily update on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update on Bitcoin. I don't think necessarily Bitcoin is anymore the story of the day. I mean, if we take a look at something like if we take a look at Ethereum at this point of time is doing much better, incredibly strong, a lot of volume coming in. Also over the course of this Asian session, and volume is still very high, still rallying up higher, which is absolutely amazing to see. So that's, I think, the main story. But still, look, Bitcoin is still the number one coin, and I still think Bitcoin is incredibly important for the bullish momentum we see in the market right now, and the continuation of which, although I must say that Bitcoin, again, like I said yesterday as well, it looks more likely that this is stability, right? And yesterday we actually spoke about this. Yesterday we actually got a bit of a fake out, I would say, above this level right here at 119.6. Now, is that bad? No, right? I mean, this is the 30-minute time frame. This is very zoomed in. And ultimately, if we take a look at the fundamentals around the market, so if we take a look at the stock market, that's still stable and bullish. And if we take a look at something like funding rates, they're still relatively cool, right? I mean, there's no immediate risk, I would say, of a flush down, which is something, I mean, at some point of time you need to be prepared for that. And then we take a look at the Coinbase Bitcoin price. My apologies, there's something in my eye. But if you take a look at the Coinbase Bitcoin price, that's also trading at a premium again, right? So that was one of the things we looked at yesterday and the day before as something like, all right, well, that can matter if that doesn't change, but it has changed. So all the fundamentals for Bitcoin are good. And then if we take a look at the technicals, you can see a little bit of indecisiveness, right? I mean, you can see the price right here opening higher than the value here. We started to auction higher, but now we opened within yesterday's value and we're auctioning lower. We have the 7-day rolling VWAP coming up right here. So it looks like Bitcoin is indecisive between either getting a move a little bit higher, which I still think is most likely. I still think it's most likely we are going to get a bullish breakout, but the question is well, all right, well, is there actually enough momentum to get that bullish breakout? And I would say at this point of time, the answer is no. If you take a look at all the other bullish breakouts we've had in the last week, which we've had a fair share of them, we always had a lot of volume, a lot of momentum coming in. And right now, I'm not sure if that's the case for Bitcoin. So then you can also see open interest is dropping down. So it still seems a little bit more likely to me that we are going to go for stability, which stability is great, all right? Stability up here, then we can still get a move up higher later, but we can also ensure some more bullish momentum and some more continued bullish momentum for altcoins. And I know this is not an altcoins update, but I care about that, and I know you do too. The only reason I would still say we can go for all-time highs is the fact that if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we are still holding the 4-hour uptrend. We got a very strong reaction from that the last time we touched that. We're still holding the 7-day rolling VWAP, so that's why I'm telling you, I think there's a chance we break out, right? If we actually do get strong volume coming in over the course of this Europe-EU session, and then also over the course of the NYO, the US session later today, and we're able to break above 119.8, that is the most important level for me right now, to be very precise, then I think we can go for all-time highs, at least for equal highs right here, but all-time highs as well. So that is a possibility, but like I said, given the indecisive price action, given the not lack of momentum, there's definitely momentum in the markets, but because of the amount of momentum, which is less than the other times we broke out, I would say it's more likely that we're going to find some stability right here in this area between 120,000 without breaking out, of course. And then this level down here towards 116.8, and then at some point of time we're going to be able to break out. Like I said, at this point of time, I still think it's most likely that's going to be a bullish breakout, but I'll keep you updated on that. And if that doesn't happen, or if the fundamentals change, we could also have a bearish breakdown into 114,000, but that is something I'll keep you updated about. For now, I think that's what you need to know regarding Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.